Namaste and hello internet, Mac on this side. Hope everybody is doing fine. Let's figure out how can one get a AMC free or zero AMC Demat and trading account. This is not a paid promotion, guys. I have used the service of Fyers, which is a broker here. In the past, I just opened a trading account for my brother there, and I was kind of impressed with the charting capabilities and their order punching mechanism. Uh, as of now, I have a zero the account. I'm not really happy with the service. Uh, so I decided to give Fyers a try. I mean, nothing hurts, right? It's without any charge. So let's figure out how can we open this account. Enter your email and mobile, create new account, and you need to enter the OTP. Verify. uh, it is asking you to get these documents ready for KYC. Pause this and read it. So once you hit proceed on the KYC information page, you will come to this page. Before that, try to log in into your Digilocker and see what all documents you have issued. So I have my Aadhaar and PAN and driving license validated via Digilocker, so hopefully that will be enough. Let me fetch this from Digilocker. It is asking me to authenticate this one. Hold on. So most probably, since this is my personal computer, I will authenticate my Gmail using G+ or Google. It is asking me fetch document from Digilocker. So I'm not sure what this Digio means, but it must be a service. So let me fetch this. I have to enter my Aadhaar number here now. I'll hit next. Now it will send the OTP to my registered mobile number, the number which is registered with Aadhaar. The OTP will come to that number. Let me continue. So now it is asking that it will fetch these documents. So the permissions sounds little bit of too much, but I don't have much of the documents on Digilocker. Whatever I have, it should be should not be a problem if I share it with the broker. Let me allow this, and alright, it pulled documents. The window will be closed automatically. Let me come back to the Fyers window, and it is getting data from Digilocker. So let's hold on. By the way, these are the issued document. When you enter the particular numbers for PAN and Aadhaar, in uploaded documents, you basically can upload whatever you feel like. Government kind of gives you the 1 gig or maybe more than that space. I have put my academic certificate etc on that, and nothing of too confidential in nature. So that's why I said okay. So let's wait. So how do you want to continue? Fetch data from KRA. KRA is your know your client registry agents or something. Hold on. So let me fetch this from the KRA. Most probably it will save me some work. Just enter your mother's maiden name and marital status and hit continue. So I'm really not sure what address did it fetch from the Aadhaar. So most probably from the KRA point of view, it should have fetched my details from my mutual fund records, or my KYC records in mutual fund, or my KYC record with the Zerodha, which is my other broker. So I'm going to enter my bank account details here. So once I enter my IFSC and account number, it kind of fetch details from my bank, which is a good thing. So here is where I need to choose the trading segments. I guess they have commodity, currency derivatives, equity, and mutual funds. Now mutual fund is mandatory, equity is mandatory, and yeah, so these are the these two are mandatory, the remaining are optional, but I think I will keep it all the things, or maybe I will uncheck these two, because I don't do that, and I may later modify my account to, because F&O is purely trading activity, so it doesn't have anything to do with the Demat. The only thing that comes in Demat is equity and perhaps the mutual fund units. Even the equity F&O doesn't need Demat, it's just a pure trading account thing. So I chose these three, uploaded my last 6 months bank statement. I need to fill this form with my occupation, income, commodity category, whether I am politically exposed, how do I wish to show my contract notes. Online is fine, I don't want incur any charges, and then I need to click and say agree to this checkbox. Let me study this. Okay, this is kind of funny, right? I unchecked the commodity one, right? If I go back, if you see this here, see commodity, F&O on MCX and currency are unchecked, yet it is kind of giving me this commodity annexures, and I'm kind of agreeing to it. I don't know. Okay, let's continue because these are some of the Google Docs link, and they kind of given their disclosures and policy, etc. here. I don't know what are they expecting by other supporting documents, but I'm going to continue. I have to upload my signature photo here, so let me do that. So make sure you have everything cross-checked. Hit proceed for e-sign. Might take some time. A pop-up will come. Make sure you have pop-up turn off. It was on for me initially, so I have to turn it on, but I couldn't see this, so I have to refresh the page, and I have to click on the e-sign again. So proceed to e-sign. This is actually your form which you're gonna sign. I don't think you can download this form, but if you maximize it and if you try to go through it, the zoom effect actually kind of just allows you to go page by page. So I have to close this one, come down and click on the page again, and to zoom and zoom in and zoom out for this thing. So are they actually asking for any power of attorney? Let me see. So I'm trying to read through here if there is any power of attorney clause here. The font is not really that great, so I may need some time. Anywho, this is too hard to read, and I cannot search through this like a regular PDF or regular file. So I'm just gonna click on sign now. It will ask me for my virtual ID or my Aadhaar. I need to enter OTP received on mobile number registered with Aadhaar, and that should be this my e-sign-in process. Just check this box. I hereby authorize NSDL, and I am going to use Aadhaar application for generating my virtual ID, even though I have already entered my Aadhaar. So they already have my Aadhaar. But entering virtual ID is a good practice, from privacy point of view. So I have entered my virtual ID and hit send OTP. I got the OTP 386174. I want to verify OTP, and that's it, people. I guess this is done for me. I have signed the e-form, and thanks for choosing Fyers. I can always download this application now and go through it later. I guess I will be getting all the details like client ID, etc. on my email. So that's it, people. This is how you open the Fyers online account. It's a trading and Demat account combination. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below the video. Thanks for watching.